Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's going to help you troubleshoot a common charging issue with your Fitbit watch. If your Fitbit watch is not charging and you don't know what to do, then don't worry. In this video, we will guide you through some simple steps to troubleshoot and fix your Fitbit charging problems. Before we dive into the troubleshooting steps, please note one thing. We will explain to you some reasons that may create charging issues. So find your issue and apply solutions according to it. Let's start with the basics. Firstly, it is important to ensure that the charging points are clean, as dust and debris can sometimes hinder proper connections between the charging contacts. Use a gentle cloth to clean the watch charging pins, cables and adapters. Avoid applying too much pressure or causing scratches. Once you have cleaned the charging area, try charging your watch again. But if you are charging your Fitbit watch for the first time, remove its protective film from the backside. This film can prevent a proper charging connection. After this, make sure your Fitbit watch is properly aligned with the charging dock. It should snap into place easily due to the magnetic connection. Avoid forcing it into the wrong side. Once you have a secure connection, charging should begin. It's also worth considering the power source. Check the voltage to ensure it meets the requirements for charging your Fitbit watch. If possible, try a different power source and remove any other devices connected to the same outlet. Another thing to check is the back of your Fitbit watch. Look for any physical damage and inspect the charging accessories as well. If you find any issues, it's best to reach out to an authorized service center to repair them. If your Fitbit watch seems unresponsive even when connected to the charger, a simple restart might do the trick. To restart your watch, hold it and press and hold the side button for about 10 to 15 seconds until you see the Fitbit icon on the screen. Release the button and your watch will restart. Give it another try after the restart. If your watch got wet during exercise or swimming, it's crucial to dry it before charging. Moisture can cause damage when connecting a wet watch to the charger. Use an absorbent material like silica or a soft cloth to gently dry the watch, especially around the charging area. Software glitches may be another reason why your Fitbit watch is not charging. Try updating the software on your Fitbit watch or perform a reset. Remember to back up your data before resetting, as it will erase all your information. To reset your watch, swipe from right to left to access the menu. Tap on Settings, scroll down, select About Versa 3 or the name of your Fitbit watch and choose Factory Reset. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, it's time to contact Fitbit support. They have the expertise to assist you and provide further guidance specific to your situation. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wearable tech and tips videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.